Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Notes app and creating a new entry. This kicks off organization from the first step. Tap the plus or new note button and pick text, checklist, or attach a photo so the content matches your purpose. Once done, give the note a short title and add a tag or folder to group it. This makes retrieval faster later. Make sure to enable autosave if prompted, so edits persist without extra taps. You now format and organize for efficient use. Apply bold, bullets, headings, and checkboxes to structure information so scanning is quicker. Then move the note into a folder or add tags. This reduces time hunting later and supports project workflows. Once organized, enable Cloud Sync or backup in settings so your notes appear on other devices and survive resets. If you prefer privacy, lock sensitive notes with a passcode or biometric. This balances convenience with security. Finish by sharing or exporting. Tap Share to send a link, export as TXT or PDF for external use, or copy content to the clipboard. This lets you reuse notes across apps. To recover, open, trash, and restore notes within 30 days. This prevents accidental loss. If syncing or saving fails, check your network, confirm your account login, and verify app storage and background permissions. Doing these steps fixes most issues quickly and keeps your notes reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.